Hello everyone, so I wanted to get ready to go out tonight, and I wanted to use this palette that I'll be using for the month of March. And I know it's another limited edition palette. It's the Metal Matte by Kat Von D. But I haven't used this one in a while, and I wanted to just get some use out of it. So we're gonna go with it. You can probably find similar shades to that in stuff you currently own. So I will try and link that Temptalia website, where you can look up what this palette is and things that are similar. So I'm going to start off priming my face as usual. Touch Glorious primer by Younique. I already have moisturizer, all that stuff on. And this will just help that product stay on my face. Then I'm going to go in with my eyes. And to prime them, I'm using my Benefit Boi-ing Brightening Concealer. And a brush like this. And then I'm going to set that with a fluffy brush. Something like this. This one's from Real Techniques. And I'm going to use the shade Bone, which is that one right there. For the crease, I'm going with a crease brush like that. I'm going to go with that next shade called Suede, so this one right there. Apply that all over the crease. Then I'm going to go with the shade Tinsel, which is the shimmery silver right there. And I'm going to go and apply that to the inner third of the lid. Then I'm going to go with that next shade, Ignite, right there. It's kind of like a seafoam green. I'm going to apply it from where that tinsel is to about there. Then I'm going to do the next shade, which is called What, right there. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of that. Then I'm going to go in with my face. Go back in with that Benefit concealer. Then I'm going with the ColourPop concealer in Fair 4. And I'm going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender again. Then my BB Flawless. This is in the shade Cream. With that same Beauty Blender and the Pacifica powder, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow and the cream shade in here. I'm going to apply that as contour. And I'm going to use my clean Beauty Blender Then back with that powder, I'm going to set it all with a big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go back in with that contour palette and this brush right here. And I'm going to use the shade Sculpt. I'm going to apply that over the contour. Brush, and then I'm going to blend that. Then I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of the Beachfront Bronzer from Younique in the shade Malibu and a small brush, and I'm going to apply that on the outer part right there. For blush, I'm going to use a blush from iSOCiETY, and this is in the shade Ladybug. It looks like this. I've shown it before on here. And then for highlight, I'm going back into that palette. Actually, I'm going to go my Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in highlight 1 and a fan brush. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm going to my Lorac Mega Pro 3. I'm using the shade Hickory. So that one right there. I think I showed, actually, yeah, so it's called Hickory. Then I'm going to brush my brows with a spoolie. And then I'm using my Essence Make Me Brow and Brownie Brows. Just a tiny bit to set those brows. Then for brow bone highlight, I'm going back to the Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to use that shade Bone again. Like so. Setting everything with Urban Decay All Nighter. For a liner, I'm going to use the Kat Von D, not the Kat Von D, the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. Must be on a Kat Von D cake, but this is Tarte. For my mascara, I'm going to use my Younique Epic. For lips, I'm going to go with the shade Snarky from Younique. This is one of the Mood Stroke Splash Liquid Lipsticks. If I could open it. Perfect, and that's the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.